Here's what I want to highlight. A lot of the stuff you're doing is probably things that do not really matter. And you're also probably doing those things that do not matter at the cost of things that really do matter. What I've taught for years is that the only things that I think really matter in trading is keeping things simple and controlling risk. When you look at it logically, if you do those two things, if you have a very simple trading approach, that's essentially just saying, do I think it's going to break a support resistance or bounce at a support resistance? You don't really have to play a lot of mental gymnastics. You can look at the chart and you could say, I think it's going to go up or down. And then by using support resistance, that level of simplicity allows you to buy or sell at a support resistance zone. And then you just put your stop loss on the other side. And then you use a lot size where it reflects whatever risk you're willing to risk on a trade. Maybe you want to risk $1,000, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000, but that allows you to structure things in such a way that it is very, very simple and you're still controlling risk. And then you let the outcomes play out. You manage it dynamically based on your discretion. Everything works out in the long run. You'll win some, you'll lose some. There's some weeks I win less than half my trades and I still make a profit. There's some weeks where I lose like 80% of my trades. I end up taking a loss on the week. It's a small loss compared to the profits from whenever I have a win streak. Because honestly, like if you just know what not to do and you can start kind of like changing the trajectory of your trading decisions in a way that is positive and conducive to profitability, you just need to know a couple core, very basic fundamental things. And if you just do those things and nothing else, by definition, you're going to be profitable. Because if you're making more in your winners versus what you lose in your losers, then yeah, that's a profitable trading approach.